Newly standard advanced safety features keep the svelte 2019 Infiniti QX60 relevant for family buyers, trades on its subtle style and newfound focus on safety to tempt shoppers lured by high-tech dashboards and myriad USB ports. The 2019 QX60 earns a 6.3 on our overall scale thanks to newly standard automatic emergency braking and its good looks. Read more about how we rate cars. With the QX60, Infiniti wraps a seductive shape around 3 rows of seats. The big crossover hides its weight well and only reveals its 4,500-pound mass when it's parked next to compacts. All QX60s are powered this year by a 3.5-liter V6 that makes 295 horsepower, teamed to a continuously variable automatic transmission. The CVT works unobtrusively, but can't squelch the V6's more agrarian tones. Thankfully, standard active noise cancellation does that. Subtle elegance helps the 2019 Infiniti QX60 hold its own against newer-looking crossovers and SUVs. 3-row crossovers like the 2019 Infiniti QX60 have become default minivan replacements for Middle America. Seating for 7, tough upholstery that can withstand ground-in Cheerios, and enough cargo space for a small soccer team are a must. Available at US Cars.